Welcome to this detailed walkthrough of Paxful, one of the most trusted peer-to-peer cryptocurrency trading platforms. Whether you're new to crypto trading or looking for a reliable way to buy and sell Bitcoin, Paxful provides a secure, user-friendly interface that connects buyers and sellers from around the globe. To get started, visit Paxful's homepage, where you'll find a simple registration process requiring basic details like your email and password. Once registered, verify your account to enhance your trading experience and unlock more features. Paxful offers a wide range of payment methods, making it highly accessible. These include bank transfers, online wallets, gift cards, and more. The flexibility in payment options ensures you can trade according to your preferences. After logging in, head to the dashboard, which provides a clear overview of your account, ongoing trades, and available cryptocurrency offers. To initiate a trade, use the search function to specify the cryptocurrency you want to buy or sell, payment method, and desired price. Paxful's algorithm matches you with the best offers tailored to your criteria. Review the seller's reputation, ratings, and feedback to ensure a trustworthy transaction. Once satisfied, proceed to the trade chat, where you can communicate with the seller for further instructions. Always follow Paxful's escrow system to ensure a secure transaction. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Security is a top priority on Paxful. The platform employs advanced encryption and an escrow service to protect your funds during every trade. If you encounter any issues, Paxful's support team is available 24/7 to assist. Additionally, the platform's user rating system fosters trust within the community, ensuring a positive trading environment. To withdraw your Bitcoin, navigate to your wallet, and choose the withdrawal option. Enter the recipient's wallet address and the desired amount. Paxful charges minimal transaction fees, making it an affordable choice for regular traders. For those looking to diversify, Paxful also supports trading in other cryptocurrencies, like Ethereum and Tether. If you're considering Paxful as your go-to crypto marketplace, now is the perfect time to join this thriving community. Remember to take advantage of their educational resources and guides to enhance your trading skills. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more insightful reviews and tips on cryptocurrency platforms.